Hi guys, it's Mark here. Hey, if you like woodworking as much as I do, I think you're going to want to check this out. Now, if you found this video, chances are you're trying to find some great woodworking plans. Well, it wasn't very long ago that I was right there doing what you're doing. I was searching the internet for woodworking plans for specific projects, and most of the plans I found left me with more questions than answers. I thought, why is it so hard to find easy step-by-step plans for woodworking projects that I could actually understand? Well, that's when I discovered a guy named Ted Mcgrath. Now, Ted has over 16,000 woodworking plans all in one place. He spent over 30 years compiling all these plans, and they're all step-by-step plans that are very easy to understand. Plus, it doesn't cost you thousands or even hundreds of dollars to get access to these plans. Hey, I've built some pretty amazing projects using these exact plans, and I know if I can do it, you can too. So if you're interested in taking a look, I put a link just below this video for you to go check it out. You can hear Ted's amazing story and learn all about the different types of plans that you'll have access to. Anyway, I just wanted to shoot this quick video and let you know about it because I think you're really going to love it. So click that link below to find out more, and thanks for watching.